Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious sardine bread from home. You can make this and put in as much sardine as you want. So guys, let's go straight to the ingredients. These are the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. Here we have 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. With the yeast, you can use either active dry yeast or fast rising yeast. We have 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, and we'll be using 3 sardines. You can use 1 sardine. That depends on how you want your sardine to be. We're using 3 cups of flour and 1.5 cup of warm milk. We are using warm milk, not cold milk. In the bowl here, we'll go ahead and add my warm milk. Next, we're adding the egg, sugar, yeast, and we go in and mix everything to combine. Make sure everything is well mixed. Make sure everything is well mixed to dissolve. And next we're gonna go ahead and add our flour, and with the spatula go ahead and mix everything together to form a dough. Make sure everything is well mixed. With this, you can pack in as much sardine as you want and mix to form a dough. At this point now, we're gonna go ahead and add our butter, and we're gonna mix this real well so everything can be well combined. And after mixing everything well, we're gonna go ahead on the surface here. I'll just go ahead and put a little bit of flour. You can use oil as well, and I'll put the dough, and I'll just go ahead and gently knead the dough so it can be well smooth. Guys, this is the texture of the dough we want. So in the oil bowl here, I will just go ahead and place my dough inside, and I will just move it around so it doesn't get sticky. And I'll be using a plastic wrap to cover this with. You can use foil paper or a lid, and we'll cover this and let it rise for an hour or an hour 30 minutes, and so it can double in size. So guys, our dough has doubled in size. We're gonna open this and punch in to release the excess air from the dough. Now we're gonna go ahead, open our sardine, and remove all the extra oil. We're gonna extract the oil from the sardine, because when we don't need the oil. If you put too much oil on the sardine itself, it will be running. We don't want that, so we're gonna extract all the oil from the sardine, and we'll be matching this. Look, this is the oil that we extracted from the 3 cans of sardine. So we're gonna go ahead and mash our sardine, and after matching our sardine, we're gonna set this aside. And next we're gonna bring our dough on our board here. We're gonna place our dough, and you can cut the dough depending on the sizes of sardine breads you want to make. So I'll be cutting this in 7 pieces of dough. I'll be cutting this in 7. So now we're gonna start by rolling our dough so that we can go ahead and start putting in our sardines. Now you don't want to roll your dough too light. It shouldn't be too light. At this point now, I'll go ahead and put my sardine. Remember, you can pack in as much sardine as you want, and I'll just go ahead and fold this, fold the two edges, and I'll fold this. When I reach at the middle, I'm gonna go ahead and add some sardine, add more sardine in here, and continue folding this. We're gonna repeat the same method till we are done with the dough. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll this a little bit on the chopping board, and I'll set it aside. So guys, all our sardine breasts are all wrapped up. I know my sizes are not perfect, guys, so at this point I'm gonna cover this and let it rise for another 1 hour. This is the baking pan I'm using, so I just put a little bit of oil on it so it doesn't get sticky. So I will cover this with a paper wrap, and I will let it rise for another 1 hour so it can double in size, and we'll go right away to start baking. So guys, our sardine bread has doubled in size. So at this point now, we have a little bit left over of sardine, and we'll be using 1 egg. So I'm just gonna go ahead, crack the egg, put in the sardine, and mix everything together. And we're gonna use this to brush on top of the sardine, on top of the dough or the sardine bread. After mixing this well, I will just put a little bit on top of the sardine bread. You can put in as much as you want. This is sardine bread we're making, guys. This is really delicious. If you try this method, you will love it. Follow step by step recipe and you will love it. Yeah. So after after putting in the sardine, brushing up the sardine on top our bread, this is how it looks like. You can put in as much as you want. So at this point, you preheat your oven to 300 degrees, and we're gonna bake this. Guys, our sardine bread is ready. Look how delicious it looks. Guys, look at this. Look at this. See the sardine? See, enough. We have enough sardine in here. Enough sardine. Oh my god, this looks so delicious, guys. This is so yummy. Go try this method and you would definitely love it. See, it has a lot of sardine. Remember, you can always put in as much sardine as you want. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. For my subscribers, thank you for coming back. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.